With the convening of the G20 summit, green and eco-friendly development has become the unified recognition of people all around the world. For government departments, it is imperative to respond to the country's carbon reduction strategy and set an example for all industries. How to build a green and sustainable low-carbon network. It has become a problem that government and manufacturers in the industry need to consider and solve. Then optical network technology has caught the attention of the industry. Compared to traditional networks, the biggest difference of optical networks lies in their medium, which is optical fiber. Traditional networks use non-renewable resources such as copper and lead, while optical networks use optical fibers made of silicon dioxide extracted from sand, which are green, low-cost, and eco-friendly. Moreover, optical fibers far outperform copper cables in transmission performance, distance, and service life. Take a network scenario that accommodates 200 people as an example. Traditional networks use 1,500 to 2,000 meters of copper cable for cabling, which generates carbon dioxide equivalent to the sum of 50 trees. In contrast, using optical fibers for networking requires only 1/10 of the total amount in traditional networks. In recent years, the government have many difficulties in network construction. Changes in the number of personnel and office locations have made it more difficult to expand network access points in the office buildings. Compliance with business security requirements and network isolation has also multiplied the number of office information points. To meet increasing needs, unauthorized connections and random cabling have brought many network risks and problems, resulting in reduced O&M efficiency and poorer network security. The Ruijie SOE 3.0 solution, with its industry-leading technology products, has found a truly suitable all-optical network solution for government departments. The solution combines Ethernet with CWDM technology to achieve an Ethernet passive two-layer architecture, zero maintenance in ELV room, and ultra-high bandwidth, with true 10 gigabit Ethernet entering the room, zero convergence, and no optical splitter. How is the solution deployed in the specific scenarios of government departments? Deploying traditional Ethernet solutions requires aggregation switches to be deployed in ELV room. Due to the harsh requirements of active equipment on the environment, it is a problem to maintenance the ELV room easily. But deploying Ruijie SOE 3.0 solution, the ELV rooms use completely passive device, and the active access products in ELV room will be replaced by a passive ODF rack. In the scenario of the government service hall, office computers, printers, and self-service terminals need to connect to the wired network. Optical fibers are connected through the optical fiber panel on the wall and linked to SF switch for connecting all devices that need to be connected to the network. The Ruijie SOE 3.0 solution, with the RGSF series of in-room switches, which has the characteristics of small size, high bandwidth, and easy maintenance. In the office, computers, printers, and other devices need to be connected to both the internal and external networks. The SOE 3.0 solution can perform physical isolation of the internal and external networks to ensure network security. The network access port directly reaches the workplace, avoiding the trouble and waste of in-room cabling. If there is a demand for access point expansion, the access switch can be replaced as needed without recabling. In the conference room scenario, not only wireless, projectors, and video conferencing equipment need to be connected to the network, but also the demand for bandwidth is increasing day by day. In the future, if there is a need to expand bandwidth, the performance of optical fiber supports smooth upgrades without recabling. The O&M problems that trouble IT personnel now have a simpler solution. The SOE 3.0 solution using transparent aggregation device saved total amount and space of ELV rooms and achieved zero O&M. At the same time, SDN intelligent O&M and optical link detection have been adopted, and fault recovery can be achieved in just 3 steps with intelligent, zero configuration management throughout the entire process. In addition, continuing to use Ethernet architecture makes network transformation more efficient and helps O&M personnel get started faster.